family, it is I, back again to share what's happening on my sensitive gut journey. Well, as you can see, I'm making more noodles for my soups, fresh stirs, and also I have made noodles out of some butternut squash. The pieces I have left, I chopped them up into cubes, and I'm going to freeze those. As you can see, the little cubes. The butternut squash smells so delicious. This is the butternut squash noodles here, and this is some squash, and this is some parsnip noodles. Yep. And I've also made, hold on, some, voila, sweet potato spaghetti noodles. Look like spaghetti, huh? That's sweet potato. So, fam, preparing to noodleize this zucchini. So stay tuned. I have it skewered into the device. And I have my noodle blade on there, if you can see. Now it's kind of dark in here, but we're going to see. Started. I know I'm making noise and stuff like that, but let's see. Turn the mixer on slow. I'm going to lift. Kind of hard to do it on here. Okay. Now I'm going to slowly move the blade towards the zucchini. Starts off kind of rocky, but there we go. Making noodles. It might not be all the way down because of the. Well, let me stop it and demonstrate another one. This zucchini probably wasn't the right size for it to give me stringy noodles, but let me turn that off. It did give me noodles. Excuse my hand, but as you can see those noodles? After I make these, I'm going to seal them, vacuum seal them with my food sealer, and store them in the freezer until I'm ready to use them. This looks so good. My mouth is watering just thinking about some delicious, fresh tasting spaghetti noodles, stir-fry noodles, whatever. However I want to taste them. So stay tuned, you guys. What I'm planning on doing is to see if I can get the pasta texture with the squash if I steam it. I'm going to try and steam it and see what texture and firmness, yet soft, I get for my squash noodles, and maybe for some of the others too. But other than that, I'm going to package these, prepping these to put in my little containers for the refrigerator. Some going in the freezer for later meals. And I have to get some more carrots and find some more interesting vegetables that I can spiralize and use for soups and stuff, or whatever else I'm going to do, roast them, and hopefully I can find some things that won't irritate my stomach or have an allergic reaction to it. And like I mentioned the other day, I'm so happy that I'm not allergic to pistachios. I have to get me some more pistachios to make the butter, the nut butter So I didn't have quite enough. So I'm going to do that, and then I'll show you guys my nut butter when that's ready. But other than that, I'm going to make a meal and share that with you when I steam the vegetables and let you all know what happened with that. And I just can't get over this first time. I think this is my first time spiralizing sweet potato. It looked just like spaghetti already in the red sauce and everything. So, yep. And also, family, I was doing some research. I shared in a video, I had a cinnamon basil plant. I'm going out there to harvest some of that and let that dry and use some of that in my meals too. Duh, I just was using that plant as some as a outdoor plant. I didn't realize, duh, that I could be harvesting and using that herb all along. So I'm going to be drying. Hopefully it dries out and I can use that to sprinkle on some of my meals. That's going to be delightful, huh? Cinnamon basil, yum. Family, this is the cinnamon basil that I was talking about. I harvest some. Now I'm going to see if this stuff will dry and crumble and I can blend it into powder in the Vitamix and use it as a herb on some of my foods, or something to give some kind of a cinnamon flavor it's supposed to have. I don't know. This is going to be my first time trying this, but it has a very beautiful scent. It smells good, like candy to me. But just wanted to share the cinnamon basil. I don't know if you can eat the flowers. I'm just going to use the leaves. If anybody knows, put it in the comments. And also, are all cinnamon basil plants edible? Please help and put your answer in the comments. Okay? Bye. Well, anyway, I'm just sharing these items with you guys. Thanks for family for continuing to support my channel and watch my videos and come along with me on this journey and let you guys see I'm getting better, much better. I haven't had indigestion, or well, the allergic part is quite different from having indigestion, because if I break out, I know what I'm breaking out for, rashes and all that kind of stuff. But as far as having indigestion, the foods that I have been eating are quite friendly to my gut. So I'm on the right track of doing the proper elimination of foods that aren't so friendly. Well, anyway, let me get back to putting this in the storage containers, and I'll be back and show you guys that. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, family, I have packaged my little veggie noodles in the containers. Like I said, well, I have 2 containers of sweet potatoes, the cube butternut squash, and this is the butternut squash in this container, smelling so good. And in the back is the squash. So I'm ready to have vegetable noodles when I'm ready. I have them all ready to go. So some of this is going in the refrigerator and some of it's going in the freezer. So just want to share what I'm doing, how I'm doing it, and for what? For my sensitive gut stomach. Things that are friendly to my stomach. Yams, squash. The butternut squash, I have never spiralized it. So we're going to have the butternut squash is in the phase of keep or not to keep, because I don't know about my stomach with that. Oh, hold on, family. Family, I forgot to add the parsnip noodles right there. So, guess I'll be having soup for a few days. Okay, I'm going to try some soup, like a fresh, well, I am going to try and steam them, so, and do like scramble some eggs and put some sliced roasted chicken breasts or something. And that should be tasty, huh? And I am watching the carbs and everything, so everything is going to be in portion and carb limited to fit how I'm eating, so I can watch my sugar intake and fats and all the other stuff that you have to watch when you're trying to eat healthier, or you are eating healthier. Watch those carbs, and that's about it, because I don't like to go all into discussing something that I am not really familiar with, but I know a little teeny bit about it for myself, my own health. So do your research, everyone else, okay? All right, family, that's it. You know, pictures coming. Bye for now. Oh, I want to say healthy eating. Have a healthy eating day. And get in a little exercise. I'm doing that also. All right, bye.